What if you could build credit without using a traditional credit card? Most people don't know this is possible, but Grow Credit makes it real. Grow Credit is a credit building service that helps you build your credit by paying for everyday subscriptions. Instead of borrowing money, you use a virtual credit line to pay for services like streaming platforms, phone bills, or music apps. Each on-time payment is reported to major credit bureaus. Here's how it works. You connect your bank account, choose a plan, and select which subscriptions you want Grow Credit to pay. Grow Credit creates a virtual card that pays those bills for you. You then pay Grow Credit back from your bank account. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Grow Credit is powerful. It lets you build credit without debt. There is no interest because you are not carrying a balance. The surprising truth is that payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score, and Grow Credit helps you build it safely. There is a free plan with a small credit limit and paid plans with higher limits and more features. If you stay consistent, you may see credit improvements within a few months. If you want a simple way to start or rebuild credit, Grow Credit is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest money tools reviews.